They're walking now. Oh my god, they're growing so fast, but they're not even that big. Like, look at this one. She's like the tiniest. I love her. They're so cute. In person, they look so much better and like so much like cuter. Everything they do is like so cute because I'm just vlogging this from my iPhone, but they are beautiful. Okay, come on. Inside. They're so little though. I love them. You guys, born like 4 weeks ago. These are them right now. They're not big. They're little. They just look like that, but they're so little in person. Look at this one. Oh my god. Where's she going? She's going and she's walking fast. Okay. See, that's the things that we get from the... Okay, mira, she's walking. Look at her. Oh my god. She's so active. Okay, come over here now. Come inside. Come inside your cage. Come inside your cage. Inside. Come on. Oh my god. I don't know what she's doing. Come on. Or what he's doing. I don't know. I think he's a boy. Come on. You're lost? Oh my god. You look so cute. Oh my god. I'm in love. Okay. Time to go in. They want to come out. They're like, let's go out. Okay, babies. You guys cannot go out. You guys can go out like, out. No, like, let me show you guys the